Good morning, good morning. It's too early to do. It's too early. Good morning. Yes, it is an early morning for me. Earlier than normal when I do my channels, because usually I have sunlight coming in. But today is a new week and a new way of eating. You're probably going to see a lot of changes in my recipes, but I'm still going to make some really good recipes. I'm still going to cook out from Eat More of What You Love, and I'm going to introduce you to a new cookbook. Now this is an older cookbook. I've had this for a while, like a good 10, 12 years. But today I'm going to be making a healthy breakfast from this Muscle Chow. So today I'm going to be making muscle toast. That's what it's called. I do not make these things up. That's what it's called. However, it is very, very similar to French toast. Yeah, so second. Excuse me. So it's very similar to French toast. So that's what I'm gonna be making. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what it looks like. Okay, so I have my bowl here, and we are going to do 2 eggs. 1, 2, and then we're going to do 2 egg whites, which is a little bit more tricky. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. And 2. I'm going to do a half cup of milk. So it says to use 2 scoops of vanilla whey protein. I don't have vanilla whey protein, but I do have a banana caramel twist whey protein. I get it from 1UP. Again, they're not a sponsor. This is what I'm going to use inside of the pancakes. Well, not the pancakes, but the French toast. 2 scoops of protein powder. Whatever protein powder you have, go ahead and use it. And then half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, I'm just going to beat this up, just like a regular batter. And as you can see, it forms almost like a batter. So you could probably make pancakes out of this if you really, really wanted to. So this recipe actually says to use 4 pieces of bread. I'm only going to use 2 because I think I'm going to use the other mixture for just like regular eggs or maybe even pancakes. So now I'm just going to dip my toast or my bread into the batter. I'm going to let it cook, or we're going to let it soak it up. And this is whole wheat toast as well. And we're just going to put that on. Okay, so these are pretty much finished here. Just take these off. And we've got some French toast here. Now, spray this again. let's just pour this in here. I really have no idea what this even tastes like. Usually when you make French toast, it's like scrambled eggs. But in this case, it's scrambled eggs with protein powder. Okay. Obviously you saw some of the reveal, but here is muscle toast with, we'll say muscle eggs. Muscle toast and muscle eggs. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is gonna be my breakfast. We are going to, we're gonna give this a try. Try some eggs. I mean, it smells good. Yeah. Let's just try the toast. Very dry. It's very dry. Well, I don't know about those. It's very dry. The recipe says you can put a topping on it. So you can put like banana and strawberry preserves with a little bit of water and just mix it around, smush it up, mix it around, and then put it on top, almost like a jam for toast. I'm sure that would taste pretty good and give it some moisture, but right now it is super dry. I definitely would not make the eggs. That's just gross, nasty. I'll have to eat it because that's my breakfast. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna still continue to make recipes out of that book. So that is my muscle protein breakfast. Oof. And yeah, I will show you some more recipes and let you know if I like them or if I don't like them. Okay, I will, I guess that's it. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.